Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A51 and today I would like to show you how you can connect it through Bluetooth. Firstly, go into Settings and tap on Connections. Now select Bluetooth and click on the switcher to activate it. After that, wait for available devices to show up, and when they do, click on the one that you want to connect to. Now you need to click on Pair in the pop-up and wait for this device to accept your connection request. As you can see, my devices were successfully connected. You can always disconnect them though by clicking on the gear icon next to the device, choosing Unpair at the bottom right corner, and now they are disconnected. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!